Now, disco. Move your hip and your arm up and down. Up, down. Up and down. Sexy, and relax your shoulder. One more time. Up and down. Up and down. Go down, relax your lower back. And start with chassé. Open. March. Very good. Again, 2 chassés. Open. March. You got it. One more time. Chassé. Open. Side walk. Cross to the front. Make a pose. And feet together. Chassé. Open. Go to the lateral. Start. Cross. Hip. Now come forward with arms. Pulse flexion arms. And move your hip up and down. Up and down. Diagonal back. One more time. Arms. Very good. Up and down. Diagonal. Are you ready? More. Point up and down. Shoulder. Turn. And 2 claps. Very good. Point up and down. Diagonals. Shoulders. Turn. 2 claps. You got it. Go. Turn. Last time. I think you got it. Double tap, diagonal. March the opposite. 1, 2, open. Yes. One more time. 2. Opposite leg. 5, 6, 7. Yes, now. Kick, pas de bourrée. Look. March. Open. Got it. One more time. Remember your hands. March. Open. More. We have to cross the march. Kick. Cross. And pose. Look. Yes. One more time. Kick. Very good. Cross. Look. Are you ready from the top? Remember? Come on. Point. Shoulder. Turn. Kick. Cross. Pose. Yes. Very easy. Come forward. Point. Woo. Turn. Kick. Cross. You got it. Second part again from the kick, pas de bourrée. Watch now. Easy. 3 taps. 1, 2, 3 like beginning. Up and down. Up and down. Kick. Cross. Give me 3. Up and down. Kick. Watch now. More. Move to the lateral. And come back in number 7. Kick. Yeah. Go. Come back. Are you ready? From the top. Chassé. Woo! Shoulder. Turn. Kick. Pas de bourrée. Cross. Go to the lateral with taps. And come back with your hips. Come on. Enjoy the music. Second part. Cross. Go to the lateral with taps. Last time for everybody. Come on. Enjoy. Kick. And go to the lateral. Be ready for the final pose like beginning.